Good job. Do a little repair. Look at freaking this teamwork. I love it. Come on. Give me a piece of paper. That still would have worked. It would have worked on the right. Where you going? They're not catching us. Wow, yeah, that's not.
Last year, but I feel like $1 million right now. I feel so glad to be a part of this whole team, and I can't even describe the feeling.
What is it? I mean, we know that it is about bragging rights and everything, but also, I mean, to know that it's just like about promoting water safety. Look at everyone out.
It is, you know, the teamwork that goes involved with this whole thing is amazing. It does so much for all of us. We get together, we get to, get to know each other better. and it keeps us together as a team inside and outside of work.
What do you think it was that made you guys take the title again?
You know what? A lot of heart. Everybody puts in a lot of heart, and that's all I can say about that. So,
awesome. Thank you. What was your name?
Thank you, man. My name's Corey Kaiser.
And can you spell that for me, Corey?
CoreyKaiser.
Perfect. Thank you,
Thank you,
Corey.
man.
First name John, John, Sandmeyer, Sandmeyer.
Okay.
And Marine Safety Lieutenant, San Diego Lifeguards. So we're here at Ocean Beach, a little unusual for the lifeguard relays. Typically we have it at a Mission Beach and Pacific Beach where you have more room, but the judges got together, the captains rather, and decided let's have it at Ocean Beach. It hasn't been here in 25 years. It went remarkably well, even with the smaller beach area, and the Ocean Beach team, wouldn't you know it, wins the relays.
So talk about the relays that they had to do. You had different divisions competing, right? You had 4 divisions. And talk about some of the activities that they had to do, which included the swimming with the rescue.
So yeah, everything that the lifeguards do here is typically something they would do, expected to do in their job duties. Even the equipment that they use in the relays are the same boards that we use to make rescues, the same buoys. One element that's left over from the old days is the landline rescue. And that means a swimmer goes out attached to a belt that has a line on it. And in the old days, that's what they used. And they'd have the lifeguard attached to a line. And when they got to the victim, then the guards on the beach would pull the guard and the victim back to the beach. So that's kind of the only throwback tool that we have that's left over from the old days. But really, it's highlighting all the skills that these lifeguards have. The camaraderie and the sportsmanship is the #1 thing out here, and it's fun for everyone.
And it's also nice too, because as well, you know, the bragging rights are always great, but also you get that working relationship between the different divisions, right? You get to see that competitive nature and that fun side of
it. Really does, because most of these the guys and girls have gone together through the training throughout their careers, and they go from district to district, and we're talking about from La Jolla to Ocean Beach, and so they end up competing against some of their best friends and some of the people they've trained with their whole career. But just that month or two of training together as a team really brings them together, and so you really see that camaraderie stand out at the competition.
All right, does Ocean Beach usually win, or is it
Ocean Beach is 2 in a row after 15 or 18 years of no wins. So they got something in the water down here that's helping them out. But it's lane selection as well, and the boating unit team got the worst rip current on the beach, but hey, that's not an excuse.
Yeah.
That's just where I work, all right? So let's not go into that.
All right, appreciate it.